Welcome back to this tutorial series. In this video, we are going over the ICD9 to ICD10 conversion. Specifically, Step 2. You use this option to convert groups of ICD9 codes to ICD10 codes. This rectangular box here gives you some more information about this. As you can see, 306 current resident diagnoses that need to be converted. And then if you go over to the right, you can simply click on these different YouTube buttons, and it will bring you to one of my tutorial videos over the specific step, as you are currently on now. Simply click on this rectangular box, enter the program, and it will bring you to this screen. You have the ICD9 code, ICD9 description, ICD10 code, and then the ICD10 description, as well as the count. As you can see, you have the 15, 11, 10. These are how many diagnoses that have been for this current ICD9 code. If you were to click on the ICD9 description, for example, edema, it would show you all the residents that have been entered into this specific ICD9 code, or have this diagnosis with them. You have these different tabs over here. You can order these right here. Order by admit date, order by last name, order by resident ID. Not admitted residents only, discharged residents only, current residents only, and all residents. Simply X out of this, and it'll bring you back to this screen. And remember, if you want to see the residents, simply click on this, the ICD9 description. Now if you go to the ICD10 code right here, you can click right here, and it will bring up a more specific version of the ICD9 code, and you will need to choose the code based on the description. So as it says edema, you could just put edema unspecified and it would input in here. Same thing with the next one, as you can see, and you could simply put other and on to the next one, and as you can see, I could just do another one. Now you will not always do unspecified as I've done with edema and this one right here. Next we have dysphagia, and as you can see, I can simply just choose this one again, and then CHF, as you can see, and simply choose an appropriate one. And you'll need to go through and fill out all of these. If you click on the count function, you can change the different counts here. As you can see, now if I go to the bottom, it will have all the ones I filled out. If I click it again, it will sort by them from the highest to lowest. Usually this is what you want to go with. Now if I were to click done now, which I will right now, it will bring me to this little menu right here, which will show up in a second. And as you can see, ICD9 to ICD10 conversion done. Press OK, and I'll go back to here. As you can see, at the step 2, I have 252 current resident diagnoses that can be converted. It was over 300, and now I can go back and fill this in, but that is all for this video.